on the track.
She's alive, look at that. Sí estaba craqueada el pinche motor. Me dijo Chris que está bien caro este carro. Le cambiaron el clutch.
El turbo está en el oído, nada más cuando estoy que es el turbo, hacer el cambio. Ahí está.
No, sí sirve. Está sirviendo. ¿Sí va sirviendo, don? El turbo está... Wow, mira. Puta madre. Pero, ¿qué pasó? ¿Qué piensas que pasó? ¿Qué le hicieron? ¿La caminaron sin aceite?
No, bueno, parte del mismo trabajo que no le cambiaban el aceite. Fue falta de lubricación.
Okay. Car is running fine. It has 25 pounds of pressure on the turbo. I think that's regular. That's usually normal. So they can test it some more before I take it out of their hands, because you know it's normal just to test it around. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Oh, see. Yeah. So this was a non-runner, blown engine. They got it up and running in a couple of weeks. Come ask about the deals. Yeah, I mean, it still needs a little bit of work, a little bit of door damage on one side. Not crazy. But there you go. It's up and running. We're gonna get more videos on it, trying to repair all the little damages, get everything fixed, and I'm gonna post it when I get home. I'll show you the rest.
Already got in, what happened?
Broke the belt. Well, the belt fell out. Not my fault though. It was because I had some stupid system in it and the wiring got into the belt. Because we had cut off all the wiring from the battery to the system, and I guess they left it hanging there and it got into the belt. So blew the belt out. It's okay though. We're gonna get a new belt. I'm pretty sure that's what it needed too. The belt was probably crusty. Oh no, it won't start. It's broken. It's like, there you go. I gotta get this one fixed next. Taking too long, and Jesus Lord, I've been having this car for almost 2 years. I did a lot of work to it, but electrically wise, I'm a fucking failure. But this is not the car that I'm worried about today. The red. Well, I mean, you've been seeing it because this whole video is about this little car. I haven't done much to it. The door is still jammed, but it runs like a fucking beast. Runs like a champ, I tell you. Let me get inside the car and I'll show you what I'm doing. So, this is with the flash on. Check this out. See that little thing right here? Bro, shit, I need to unlock it first. You put your hand in there. Oh. Ooh. Custom doors. Nobody got it like me. I need my key out of my pocket again. I'm gonna fix these little freaking paint chips on the freaking hood, roof, tail. Just a lot of money to be spent first. Let me show you how this baby turns on. No problems. Let's fix this steering wheel right quick. Put it on neutral. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No check engine light on. No crazy lights on. The brake, that's the handbrake. And I said in the video 25, I meant 15. Has 15 psi of boost pressure. Like a champ, like I said. I'm gonna take it for a little test drive so you can see how it runs. Show you a little bit of my little banging through these gears, or these gears. I have no way saying that I'm a pro at a manual transmission, shifting gears. I'm not a pro, but I'll show you what I got. So this is the first, well, not first drive, right? Because I already drove it. This is first drive on camera. All right. First drive for the YouTube channel, and I feel like it drives fine. I am gonna be doing more not mods per se, but I gotta like fix some stuff, fix the clear, fix the door, fix the rear door. I want to do some custom wheels on it. I don't know what type of wheels I want to get, but I want to get like kind of like some JDM wheels. Maybe like the Nissan GTR wheels on these. They'll look pretty dope. Maybe like a gunmetal gray. I will add a little clip right here of me driving a little, not little, right? It's a big ass car. It's a Hellcat that we had in the shop a couple of days ago. I'll show that at the end. And see you in the next one. Well, this came to my shop today. I don't know what year it is, but it's a Hellcat Challenger. Oh my god, this thing is so goddamn beautiful. Here's this shit. This is a 2016. Wow. This right here, it is a down payment on a home. Try to take care of it because it's not mine, but this is fucking badass. I don't know if I'm upside down or not, but there you go. Wow, this thing is so fucking badass. Jesus Lord. I am in love. That's it. I ain't going no more forward. Wow. This is one of my dream cars that I would love to purchase. Damn it. He need to put extra wide tires in the back. Wow. Jeez.